Have you made any speculations regarding this about how the world will be after 30 years from now? I'm sure you might be thinking that cars will fly in the sky. Most of the work will be done by robots. But in today's video, you will come to know really interesting things that can happen in 2050. So let's take a deep dive. If we talk about the world population, then it is expected to increase from 7 billion today to over 9 billion in 2050. To feed the growing population, agriculture activities will increase on the global level. Air pollution is set to become the world's top environmental cause of premature death. By 2050, it is expected that 70% of the population will be living in urban areas. Now let's talk about technology, and personally I find it very interesting. According to predictions, the population of robots by 2050 will be 9.4 billion worldwide, and that is 5% more than the population of humans in 2050. It is expected that we will have computers that will be able to predict the future. Driverless cars would be a common thing. Mobile phones will be charged in 10 to 15 seconds or even less. They will substitute for most internet, banking and newspapers, apart from giving you all kind of information and warnings. All vehicles will be electric, running on green energy. Petrol and diesel will be totally out. Autonomous cars will become common. These cars will charge by themselves in their free time. Artificial intelligence will be a part of daily life. You can control temperature of your room in winters and summers accordingly. Computers will become much smaller with very high data handling capacity. Any surface may be made into a projector as computer screen. By 2050, India is projected to be the world's second largest economy and will account for 15% of the world's total GDP. So that's a great news. We will all wear a huge range of sensors that will constantly monitor things such as blood pressure, blood sugar and blood oxygen level. Longevity will rise. Children born in 2050 will have a more age. There will be development of artificial organs that could lead to replacement of the organ transplantation by donors. You will have access to space. Space tourism is human space travel for recreational purposes. NASA is to allow tourists to visit the International Space Station from 2020, which priced at $35,000 per night, which is 2628,942.75 Indian rupees.